Mama. Mama, chicken and dumplings on Sunday, chicken fingers on Monday, rotisserie chicken Tuesday, Wednesday you made barbecue chicken, Thursday you made fried chicken, Friday chicken cacciatore, chicken, chicken, chicken. I'm gonna grow wings one day and I'm gonna fly away from here. I'm tired of chicken all the time.
Oh, baby, I made you spaghetti tonight.
Oh, Mama, you're the greatest. Daddy, Mama made spaghetti. Come on. Oh, Mama, this stuff is great. Oh, these meatballs, these meatballs, they taste familiar, but they are so good, Mama. Oh, they're good. What are they made out of, Mama?
Well, I made the meatballs out of leftover chicken.
Oh my God, I'm sick of chicken. I hate chicken. Ah, chicken, I hate it.